let's go. Flowers. Put these in size order. And you can see the style, like very daisy style flowers I've gone for. These ones are Livingstone Daisy tapestry mix. These will only grow to 8 centimeters tall, so they'll be my little filler plants. Keep the bees and the butterflies happy. Beautiful. Look at them. Gorgeous. I've got zinnias. There's no picture of the zinnias here. I'll try and find a nice picture of a zinnia and put it here somewhere. They are going to be about 50 centimeters tall and 50 centimeters wide. They are good for cutting. So these ones will be used for vases in the house and for the pollinators. Of course, calendula. Love them. This says it goes to 60 centimeters tall. I've not used Pink Surprise before. I've not had them. So, but the leaves, the petals on them are still edible. Yeah, they look cute, and they got a nice open centre. So, looking forward to them this year. Aster Chyna mix. These ones are good for cutting as well. They get to 75 centimeters tall, so we're getting taller. They look gorgeous, and you can really see the style that I'm going for all these flowers. Rudbeckia, Gold Sturm. These ones are perennial, so I will sow them, and the place I plant them will be their final place, unless during the winter or early spring I decide to move them somewhere. So I've got to think about a place to put them, but they look lovely as well. They're very much like echinaceas. And I have an echinacea, so I might actually put them together. Little friends. Sunflower toy shop. Cannot have a year without our sunflower patch. These ones are going to be 90 centimeters tall, so getting taller. Cosmos, Tip Top Picotee, again another one. I don't have a picture, I'll try and find one, but these are cute. These are very sweet looking flowers, and they'll go to about 1 meter high. Again, they're good for cutting, so more that will go in the house. My house is going to be beautiful this year. And the all-important sunflowers. These are giant sunflowers, and these are what we're going to use for our sunflower competition this year. We always do a competition in my family, who can grow the biggest sunflower. But for some reason, every single year we forget whose is whose, and the middle child, Preston, always claims the biggest one. So this time I'm going to try and keep them labelled as to whose they are. So my other package, come in here. Oh, I'm so excited. I've just been hiding. Carrots, early Nantes. Can't go wrong with a carrot. These are veggies. I think everything else I've got are vegetables. Pretty sure. I did go a bit bonkers with the seed ordering and just ordered a bunch of stuff from a bunch of places. I've still got an order to come in from another place. Yeah, so yes, carrot early Nantes. I'm going to sow them in the beds somewhere, but I haven't planned where yet. Parsnip, tender and true. This is going to go down the bottom where my other parsnips were last year, but on the other end of the bed. As I sowed half the bed with parsnips, and those ones are actually leafing up again now. So I'm going to see if I can get any more decent parsnips out of that, because I really thickly sowed last year, because my germination rate with parsnips is shocking. So I really thickly sowed the seeds, and they germinated like nobody's business. So now I've got a bunch of teeny tiny parsnips. So this year I'm going to try and be more sensible with it. So I've got a new packet of seeds. I'm going to sow them in the proper manner and hope for the best, essentially. Leek, muscle burr. Everyone has to have this. This is the Ferrari of Leeks. It's so popular and it's so delicious and it's so easy to grow. I've actually got some leeks growing at the minute, which aren't Musselburgh. I don't know what they are. They're something. Can't remember. But these are my backup, and if I don't end up using them this year because those leeks go well, I will definitely be using these next year. Hopefully after going through my seeds to see what I have at the beginning of the year and tick off everything I want before I go and buy like a crazy woman. I am the queen of the bean. I love beans and I love all the different colours and sizes and shapes. I just love everything about beans. I love how they grow up arches. I just think it's beautiful. These ones are dwarf beans, so these won't grow up an arch. They will just bush about a foot or so tall and give me French beans, or I can dry them, which I will probably do on half the plants because ooh, everywhere. They are yin yang beans. Look at them. I love it. They are so cute. There's more beans. Lazy housewife. Very much like beans that are used to make baked beans. Pea Little Marvel. Well-established main crop variety of productive dwarf plants which produce good crops of blunt-ended pods containing 6 to 8 sweet tender peas. They're supposed to be really nice. So, Little Marvel. If you've got some experience with Little Marvel, I haven't. Let me know what you think, because I like really sweet peas. I've never found a pea that keeps its sweetness really, really well. So if you've got a pea variety which you think is excellent and keeps its sweetness very well, even whilst cooking, after cooking, please let me know. Mashed potato squash. I saw this on DT Brown's site. By the way, I'm not affiliated with DT Brown. I'm not getting paid for this. This is just who I've used. I use other brands as well. The other ones I got was from Marshall's. So Unwins. Mashed potato. Apparently, the reason it's called mashed potato is it's supposed to be a really good substitute for mashed potato. So I want to see if that's true, because I love my mashed potato, and if this is rubbish, I won't be doing it again. So I'm going to grow some of this and see how it performs. Cucumber, La Diva. This is a small, smooth-skinned one. My middle child, Preston, he loves cucumbers, and he really enjoys coming out in the summer and just grabbing a cucumber and stuffing his face. Beetroot bull's blood. This is the first time I've had a bull's blood beetroot, and I see it all the time and it looks really good. It looks like it grows really well. So I'm looking forward to growing this and having this in my arsenal of seeds. Cabbage, Calibos. Ooh. The high sugar content, I can't actually remember what this one is. Is it a Savoy? Who knows? Probably is. High sugar content makes this deliciously sweet variety. Pointed red heads, oh hell, which weigh approximately 2 to 2.5 kilograms, can be harvested from spring greens or leave for full heads. Ah! Okay, it's not a Savoy at all. It's a red pointy-headed cabbage. And of course, the Tahiti melon squash. I've seen these, I love the look of them, and just for a giggle I thought I'd give them a go this year just to see what happens. And yeah, I'm really excited to see what I can get out of this little monkey. I think there's only a few seeds in there. I might sow maybe 3. That is all I've got so far. I would do a seed video of all my seeds, but that would take hours, and I'm not allowed to post videos that are that long at the minute. YouTube have said no, because I don't have enough views or subscribers for that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of seeds, and I hope you're enjoying unboxing all of your seeds, and I hope this gave you a little bit of inspiration for your own garden. Anyway guys, hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. And I also forgot my green manure bumblebee margin mix. So this has in it Nigella, I believe, and borage and red clover, not Nigella, and Phacelia. Don't know what that is. Well, I do know what it is. It's this one here, because that's not borage. So interesting. I've never used this stuff before. Sow in spring to attract pollinating insects to your garden, or in late summer to use as green manure. I think I'm going to sow in the spring for the pollinators. That's all I want. I don't need green manure. The compost bins I have serve me very well.